Okay, video vlog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog at mag-unbox tayo ng pang estudyante daw itong phone na to, no? Kasi it's back to school at Realme is now promoting this new smartphone. It's the Realme 12. So, okay, this is from Realme Philippines. So, unbox na natin after this cut. Alright, so this is the Realme 12 from Realme Philippines. So, i-unbox na natin ang features daw nito. It's good for the students at abot kaya ang ang pricing nito. So, okay, before I unbox this, let me discuss to you the tech specs of the Realme 12 from Realme Philippines. Okay, ito na yung tech specs ng Realme 12 from Realme Philippines. So, kanyang display, meron siyang 6.67 inches E4 AMOLED FHD Plus display. At meron siyang resolution na 2400 by 1080p. Meron siyang 92.65% screen to body ratio. Medyo malaki-laki yung lapad ng screen niya. At meron siyang 120Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Meron siyang 1200Hz instantaneous touch sampling rate. Ano ba yung instantaneous touch sampling rate, no? Medyo mataas-taas siya, no? Meron siyang 600 nits brightness, 2000 nits peak brightness at 4096 brightness level. Mataas to 16.7 millions of colors, 98% DCI, P3 color gamut, COG process technology meron din siya. Hindi ko alam kung itong COG process na to, no? At 0.68 secondary tempered high strengthened glass for display protection. Uy, meron siyang display protection. That's good. And it supports rain, water, smart touch. So, sabihin, kahit mabasa siya ng tubig or tubig ulan, ma-operate nyo pa rin yung phone ninyo. So, that's the display of the Realme 12. At for the CPU, gumagamit siya ng Qualcomm Snapdragon 685. At this is a octa-core 6nm process. At ang GPU niya is Adreno 610. Ayan. So, for the OS, the Realme 12, gumagamit siya ng Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. And that's the OS. And for the memory naman, gumagamit siya ng 8GB of RAM plus 8GB of dynamic RAM expansion. Parang total niya is 16GB, no? So, you can tinker that kung gusto nyo mag 16 or 8 lang. So, we'll check it out mamaya, no, kung paano to. At ang kanyang storage is 256GB of storage na expandable up to 1TB. Ibig sabihin yan, meron siyang micro SD slot for expansion dun sa kanyang SIM tray, no? For the camera specs ni Realme 12, for the rear camera, no, this is a dual camera. Nababasa ko dito, kanyang rear camera is meron siyang 50 megapixel na LYT600 OIS portrait camera na merong 1.88 aperture. So, first camera. And the second camera is 2 megapixel na mono camera na may 2.4 aperture. So, ang rear camera niya is merong super OIS doon sa 50 megapixel. At meron siyang image resolution na 8192 by 6144. So, medyo malaki siya. At for the video recording, you can do 1080p, 30 fps. May slow motion video siya at 720p at 120 fps. At for the time-lapse, no, very interesting yung time-lapse niya. Nagustuhan ko yung time-lapse niya. Ang specs niya is 1080p, 30 fps. Kasi ibang phone kasi 720 lang eh. But ito, 1080p, 30 fps yung time-lapse video niya. For the recording yun, no? For the photo mode, ito yung mga, for the, kumbaga specs, nung ano bang meron dun sa rear camera niya. Meron siyang photo mode, video mode, portrait mode, street mode, night mode, 50 megapixel mode na high resolution for the pictures. Meron siyang time-lapse, professional mode, panoramic, slow motion, text scanners, at movie mode. Yan yung mga tools na magagamit ko sa rear camera for taking photos and videos. And for the front camera ng Realme 12, meron siyang isang camera lang, 16 megapixel selfie camera na may 2.5 aperture. At for the video recording ng front camera, it's a 720p 30 fps. So, ang mga magagawa nyo sa front camera is photo mode, video mode, tsaka portrait mode. So, wala siyang time-lapse yata for the features niya. Check natin mamaya kung pwede siya, no? For the battery specs ng Realme 12, meron siyang 5,000 mAh of battery na merong 67-watt Super VOOC fast charging feature yan. So sabi dito, 47 minutes to full charge siya. So medyo mabilis na rin din, 19 minutes to 50% of charge. At meron siyang AI smart charging technology with intelligent charging protection and remaining charging time display. So meron siyang AI smart tech, so na-monitor na mabuti yung charging capability ng phone tsaka yung charger, no, yung kanilang charging system niya. For the other specs ni Realme 12, meron siyang this is a 4G ready smartphone. 4G lang siya. This is a dual nano SIM and dual standby. May Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5, USB Type-C port yung ginagamit niya. Meron siyang high-res dual stereo speaker at meron siyang dual microphones and noise cancellation. Wow, this is nice for mga Zoom calls, for example. At meron siyang 3.5mm headphone jack. Wow, thank you for that. Meron siyang in-display fingerprint sensor at meron siyang IP54 dust and water resistance. At meron siyang natawag na vapor cooling chamber system. Sabi nila, it covers the main heat in the CPU. So if you're heavily using it for watching videos, or for example in video calls or video conference sa class, kinu-cool down niya yung CPU using the vapor cooling chamber system. At meron siya natawag na AI boost for the game boost and smooth boost. Well, they're not promoting this as a gaming device now. Pero yeah, meron pa rin siyang AI boost na rin for gaming. Well, for example, if a student needs to, maglaro on their spare time, no, malibang-libang lang, so yung AI boost makakatulong for gaming. At meron siyang 360 degrees na NFC at meron din siyang drop protection feature. So hindi siya masyadong mababasa pag nabagsak nyo. So meron siyang drop protection. I guess it's a body, no? At for the body color, meron siyang Pioneer Green at Skyline Blue. At ang nakuha kong color ay Pioneer Green. So medyo maganda yung kulay nito. Excited na ako. For the SRP price, it's a 13,999 sa Realme 12 na 4G siya na phone. So sayang, hindi ko na promote to na mabuti, no? Kasi noong August 10 to 25 nag-sale, hindi na pala first day of sale nila, tapos meron silang libreng Tech Life handheld fan worth 1,599. Sayang, so tapos na, it's already September, hindi ko gano'n na boost itong video na to, but still we're going to create more content and promote the Realme 12 from Realme Philippines. Alright, so tapos na tayo for the tech specs feature. Very interesting siya. I want to see the body of the yung Pioneer Green, no? Kasi gusto ko yung green eh. FEU ako eh. FEU eh. So, alright, so unbox na natin to. Let's do this. Alright, so this is the Realme 12 from Realme Philippines. So, i-unbox na natin to. So, meron siyang Sony LYT600 OIS camera, 67 watts, charge, 5,000 mAh battery, Snapdragon 68 at 120Hz Ultra Smooth AMOLED display. And I got the 8GB and 256GB of storage. And also the Pioneer Green color. So unbox na natin to. This is targeted for the students na kasi back to school na. So mga moms and dad, check out this Realme 12. Very ganda ng phone nila palagi. So this is the inside the box, no? So inside the box, syempre unahin natin yung unit. And this is the ang ganda ng color. Wow! Ang ganda ng color. Tanggalin natin yung sticker, no? Tanggalin natin. And here we go. Natanggal ko na yung stickers. Wow, ang ganda ng Pioneer Green niya. Very formal, no? Very astig din yung kulay niya. Tsaka yung pagka-circular ng kanyang camera. So parang tatlo siya, no? I guess the other one is a sensor, I think. And okay, so this is the front camera. And this is the 3.5mm jack. Ayan, may microphone, speaker dito na maliit. SIM tray, USB Type-C, speaker. So sa right side is the power button, tsaka yung volume. So ano pa bang laman ng box? Check natin. No? This is the manuals for sure. At saka meron siyang kasamang casing. So this is the manual. Yung SIM tray pin, ayan, kailangan natin yan. Yung manuals niya and the jelly case. Yan, importante yung jelly case. And also inside the box is the charging brick. Ayan, ito yung charging brick niya. And also the USB Type-C cable. Ayan, kailangan natin yan sa ating unboxing. So check natin tong SIM tray niya. Let's check the SIM tray. Importante kasi makita natin yung SIM tray niya. Ayan, eject na natin. And this is, boom. Okay. So, dual nano SIM nga siya, but you can add a memory card, micro SD card, pero magiging one SIM ka nga lang. So, it's up to you kung gusto mo mag-dual SIM or mag-expand ng memory. Makakagamit ka nga lang ng one SIM. So, ayan. Hindi siya multi, no? So, okay. Check na natin to, no? Unbox na natin. And nakita ko na kanina yung itsura niya. So, let's set this up para ma-test na natin, no? Nag-vibrate and there's the Realme logo. Powered by Android. Ayan. Tayo natin. Medyo matagal siya mag-boot up, Yan talaga pag mga first time i-open. Ayan, there's the logo of Realme. Nice. Ganda ng body niya, oh. But it reminds me of the yung mga Realme 12 Pro tsaka Realme 12 Pro Plus. Ganito na palagi yung mga design nila, eh. Napakaganda ng style ng yung phone. Parang ni-uniform na ni Realme yung mga style niya. Hello, click natin to. Let's click English. Click. Ayan. So, let's choose the Philippines. Yung anong yung region natin. Ayan. Okay. Click. Legal information. Click. Network. Network mobile. Mobile network. So, wala tayong SIM. So, let's skip this. Pwede ka mag-ano. So, connect muna tayo sa Wi-Fi. Okay. Connect tayo sa Wi-Fi. Wait lang. And the phone is setting up. Tayo natin to. So, if ever you got the Realme 12 already, there's the Realme 12. Hindi siya Pro, 12 lang to. Comment down below at let's review the phone. Let me know ano ba yung kinagandahan ng Realme 12 sa inyo. Ano ba yung nakita niyo findings na nakukulangan kayo, for example. So, let's review this phone, no? Comment lang kayo. So, ito medyo may kabagalan siya. Getting your phone ready. Okay, antayin natin to. Antayin natin. Medyo matagal, no? So, kakat ko na lang tong video if ever matagal siya mag-load. Alright, so copy apps and data. So, don't copy tayo, no? Kasi matagal yan, eh. So, checking info. Ganun talaga pag-loading talaga. At naka-on pa yung Bluetooth ko. Ba't naka-on yung Bluetooth? Automatic siyang nag-on. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Antayin natin to. Alright. So, ito na yung part na maglalagin ako ng Gmail ko. Wait lang, guys. Alright, nalagin ko na yung aking Gmail. So, antayin natin. Ganda, oh, grabe. So, may logo siya ng Realme dito. Ayan. So, mas maganda lagyan nyo ng lagyan nyo ng jelly case. Ako, for example, kakabit ko na yung jelly case niya for protection. Ayan. Para ma-protect na natin. Ito yung itsura niya. So, tanggalin natin itong sticker mamaya. Tanggalin natin to. Ayan. Para malinis siya. So, back up, no. Skip natin yan. Okay, magla-login na tayo ng password natin. So, I need the numeric. So, numeric password. Kasi mas madali yung numeric kaysa yung words, eh. So, ilang pin code kaya to? Continue. So, 6 pin code. So, teka lang, mag-register lang ako. Wait lang. Alright, nakapag-ano na ako. 6 pin code. Let's try the fingerprint. So, malagin muna. Alright, ito na. Ito yung fingerprint scan niya, nasa screen. So, mag-enroll lang tayo ng fingerprint para mas mabilis. Ayan. Alright. Okay na. So, sa face naman tayo. Login ulit. Alright. For the enroll ng face, let's click continue. And here's my face. Uy, ang bilis, Save ka agad, Okay. Continue. Alright. Checking pa rin. And more. Click natin yan. Agree. So, more. Agree. Kailangan mo siyang i-ano para hindi na siya lalabas in the future. Okay. Agree. So, ito yung tsura niya pag may jelly case. So, okay naman, may protection ka. Pero may iba kasi ayaw mag-jelly case. Gusto nila, feel nila yung metal eh. So, ito na. Anything else? No thanks. Antayin natin. Ang ganda, no? Ganda ng phone. So, continue to Realme account. Wala pang account. So, skip natin. Let's click next. Install. No? Skip natin yan. I like the, ano ba to? Sa text pala to. Default tayo. At for the gesture, I need the buttons. Mas gusto ko yung buttons. Mas sanay ako. And here's the Realme UI. Get started. At eto na siya. Boom! Uy, ang ganda ng kulay. Wow! Green na green. Grabe. And here are the apps loading na. So, welcome. This is the Realme 12 from Realme Philippines. So, okay. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. The screen, okay naman. Very responsive naman siya. So, let's check the settings nito. Let's explore yung sa kanyang memory, no? So, 8 GB of RAM plus 4. 4 lang pala to, no? So, pat ganun. Sabi sa tech specs, it's 6. 6 ba yung na-mention ko? Ba't ganun? 8 GB of RAM plus 8. So, ang dito, plus 4 lang siya. So, naka-default siya sa plus 4 GB. You can expand it up to 8 GB of RAM. Pero natin siya magagamit kasi kailangan pa niya mag-restart. So, not now na muna. So, front camera is 16 megapixel. Rear camera is 15 megapixel, tsaka 2, tsaka 6, Snapdragon 685. Alright, that's fully correct yung ating tech specs na nakuha sa website ni Realme. So, this is the UI. Meron siyang Play Store. Ayan. We can install Call of Duty for ating gaming test. And let's check out the camera. Here we go for the camera. And boom! Alright. Meron lang siyang 1x tsaka 2x. So, wala siyang wide angle lens. Ayan. Ano niya. Alright. So, naka-portrait mode pala tayo. Just a normal mode. 1x and 2x lang. For the video mode, syempre, 1x and 2x lang talaga siya for the video. Ito yung gusto ko sa Realme, meron siyang street lens, no? Parang street photography. So, naka 26mm siya, tsaka 52mm yung kumbaga, yung information niya, no? Pero usually, 1x, 2x lang naman yan, eh. Meron siyang night mode. Ayan, may night mode siya. And portrait mode. For the selfie, for example, no? Ito yung tsura ko. Ayan. Mabilis naman yung selfie niya. Mabilis naman. And loading the gallery. Ayan. Tsura natin dito. Ayan. Okay naman. Decent naman siya. Maayos naman siya. Maayos naman. And let's go back to the camera. For the more, ito na yung mga pro pa, no? High res, time lapse. Oh, mayroon siyang tilt shift. Tilt shift. Oh, hindi ko na-mention yun sa tech specs natin. Alright, let's test the camera. So, nakapag-selfie tayo, no? Meron tayong model dito, yung bata sa taters. Ayan, yung bata sa taters. So, kuha natin siya ng pictures ng 1x and pictures ng 2x. Medyo malapit nga lang ako eh. Alright. Uy, linaw. Ganda. Okay naman. Okay to, pang product photography na to, ah. And this is the 1x. Very cute nung camera niya, no? Hindi siya wash out. 1x tayo. Ayan, very siya, kasi maganda yung ilaw natin, eh. So, ito medyo, wala siyang parang AI thing, no? Na kino-correct niya yung colors. Parang straight out of the camera siya. So, you can use the filters. Filters, merong Journey, Maverick, Memory. So, different kinds of color mood. Itong vivid, medyo mas matapang yung color nito. So, since sa photography, click the target para mag-focus siya doon. Ayan. Check natin. Okay. Okay lang naman siya. Okay lang naman. Wala siyang parang AI thing, no? For the color corrections. For the video naman, I'm sure meron tong OIS, no? Kasi sabi nila yung rear camera has an OIS, eh. So, I think the OIS is for the pictures. I'm not sure if for the videos din. So parang nakita ko may OIS siya na kasi medyo delayed yung video ko dito eh. So check natin to. Ayan. Play natin yung video. Play.
OIS. So I did the OIS is for the pictures. I'm not sure if
tama nga
for
ako.
the videos din. So parang nakita ko may OIS siya na kasi may delayed yung video ko dito eh. So check natin.
Well, di naman siya ganun ka-shaky, but mag-vlog tayo nito. Hey guys, this is Azrael, a video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. Test, mic test check. Ayan. May parang nahihirapan siya ng konti, no? Baka gawa ng ilaw ko.
This is Azrael, a video vlog check everybody. Azrael here. Test, mic test check.
May konting delay, no? Baka hindi pa siya kasi siya tapos. Kasi nag-i-install, medyo busy yung phone eh. Nag-i-install siya, so medyo ngarag yung camera niya. Ayan, nag-i-install nga siya. So for photography, it's good. For video, I guess I'll make another vlog for the video, no? May ilaw dito, no? Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit may ilaw. Parang mayroong bilog na lumabas doon. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Nawala. May ilaw siya doon. Hey guys, Azrael here. Test mic test check. 1 2 1 2. Microphone test check. 1 2 1 2. Parang delay lang siya ng konti. Ba't ganon? Check natin.
Hey guys, Azrael.
Ayan, okay na.
Test mic test check. 1 2 1 2. Microphone test
okay
check.
na siya.
1 2 1 2.
Kasi medyo busy yung phone kanina, nag-i-install eh. So, wala naman palang delay yung Realme 12 sa video mode niya. So, na-mention ko kanina, it can shoot 1080. Ito for the front camera, pwede ka mong i-click to 1080p. So, pag rear camera naman, I want 1080p, 30 fps. Yun lang talaga yung ano. Ito pala, meron siyang ano, parang steady mode, ultra steady. Ayun, hinahanap ko kanina. So, yung ultra steady, i-on mo pa. Pero syempre, pagka ganyang mode na yan, yung 1080p nyo, makakrap pa. Diba? For example, ito yung ano, ito yung naka-ultra steady. Tanggalin ko ultra steady, magbabago yan. Ayun, no. Ang laki ng cropping niya. Oh, hindi, wala. Parang parehas. Ay, hindi, meron. May cropping siya konti. Pero konti lang. Check natin yung stabilization.
Ultra steady, i-on mo pa.
Ayun, smooth na siya, oh.
Pero syempre, pagka ganyang
very smooth na siya.
Yung 1080p nyo, makakrap pa.
And the speakers are dual, ah. Meron dito tsaka dito.
Ultra steady,
ay, okay to, ang ganda. Dual speaker
pero
pala
syempre,
siya. So pag naglaro kayo ng games or manood kayo ng videos, no, mas malinaw siya. So ayan, that's it guys for our Realme 12 from Realme Philippines, no, na unbox na natin. It's good for the students daw. So kayo, bala na kayo kung trip nyo ito for your kids or try to tell them na hindi siya pang gaming, pang school lang siya. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi. Ito yung gusto i-communicate ni Realme para sa lahat. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Thank you so much, Realme, for this review unit. Alright.